Wise, chapter number 2, the language of map. Now, what is a map? It is a flat drawing which shows the earth on a flat sheet of paper. It is the way to show our earth on a flat sheet of paper. As in globe, we can see the whole earth, the countries, the continents, and the oceans on the earth's surface. We can also see our earth on the flat sheet of paper called map. Now, these maps we can study on map about the different continents and the countries also. We can study about the earth in detail on the maps. As on globe we can see only the continents, countries and the oceans, but on map we can study about them about each of them separately, as maps of different countries and continents are easily available in the market. So to study about the earth in detail, map is the best way to look about the details of the earth. Now, the person who made the first map was Gerardus Mercator. He was the first person who made the first map, right? And the people who make maps are called cartographers. And to study the earth and the art of map making, the process of map making and to study about the earth is called cartography. To study about the earth and the art of, or you can say the process of map making is called the cartography, right? Now, where these maps are found in a book which is called an atlas. They are easily available in the market also, and collectively if we want to see the maps of different kinds, like if I want to see the maps of different things which are there on in our country, then we can see in a book called an atlas. Atlas is a book in which all the maps which are related to our country, whether it is showing the physical features or the political features, all the maps are available in a book called an atlas. So a book of map is called an atlas. Now, what are the physical features? Features are the landforms on the earth, land types of land, the different shapes of the land on the earth. Like some places are high, which are called mountains. Some places are low, which are called plains. At some places there are water bodies, which are called coastal plains and islands. At some places the earth is table-like in shape, which is called plateau. And these are the different forms of land on the earth, and these are called the physical features of the earth. Now, what are political boundaries? Political boundaries are the areas covered by the different states on a particular in a particular country, and we are going to discuss about them in detail further. Now, let's discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of map. Some of the advantages of map are that it is easy to carry. We can take map easily from one place to another, as it is very small in size. We can roll them, we can fold them, and even we can keep them in our folders, in our pockets or in the books, and they can be carried anywhere very easily. The next advantage is it shows the smaller area with greater details. As I have told you, map is a way to see the details of a smaller places. Like if I want to study about our country India, the different cities, the different states and the different towns in our country, about the crops that are grown in our country, about the different soils found in our country, everything that is there which in our country we can see with the help of a map. As on globe we can see only the continents, countries and the water bodies, but to study about them in detail, map is the best way to see. Now, other advantage is that it shows the size and shape of the continents and the countries. What is the size of the continent, what is the shape of the countries, what are the shape of the continents are there on the globe or on earth, that we can see with the help of a map. And it also shows all the features of the earth, like mountains, deserts, forests, rainfall in a particular area in our country, minerals found in different parts of our country, and many things, all the things which are there in our country. To study about them, map is the best way to study about the earth. Now some of the disadvantages are that the earth is round, and round shaped earth cannot be shown on a flat sheet of paper. The actual shape of our earth is round, and we cannot see the round shaped earth on a flat sheet of paper. And the next disadvantage is they cannot show the exact shape of the earth, as map is not the exact shape of the earth. The exact shape of the earth is round like a ball. So these are some disadvantages of the map.